Want to ditch pricey software without losing power? You can. First up, Canva SAI Design Tool. It replaces Photoshop. Drag, drop, and let AI suggest layouts, colors, and fonts. Next, ChatGPT for Docs. It's a free alternative to expensive writing assistants. Write, edit, and get tone suggestions in real time. Then there's Grammarly's Basic. It spots grammar and style mistakes for free, perfect for students and writers. For video editing, try Runway ML. It offers AI-powered cuts, background removal, and color grading without a subscription. Music lovers can use SoundRaw. Generate custom tracks with AI, no royalty fees. Need data analysis? Google Sheets with the new AI add-on can replace Excel's premium features. Finally, Notion AI. It's a free version that drafts, summarizes, and organizes notes like a paid project manager. These tools are powerful, free, and ready to use. Like and subscribe for more AI tools every day.